not try this at home. Maytag Top Load Laundry with powerful performance options is put to the test, running circles around pet hair, stains, and odors caused by bacteria. Test 1. Pet hair. Test 2. Stains. Test 3. Odors. Maytag Laundry is designed to fight dirty by visibly removing pet hair with the Pet Pro system, fighting seriously tough stains with the Extra Power option, and removing 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria with the Sanitize with Oxy cycle. Maytag Top Load Laundry. Tackle pet hair, stains, and odors.